Welcome to the channel. This is Kia Sportage 2018 model. I'm going to show you how we're going to reset service light. If your vehicle has like this steering, you can apply for your car also well. Okay, I'll show you. I'm going to start the car. You can see service required. It's 8,000 overdue the service. It's very easy to reset. First of all, you need to do the service. Once you've done the service, you have to ignition on. Then your dashboard will display like this. Then after that, you need to come right side of the steering and press this button. Once you press once, you can see I'm going to press once. You can see it's came to the this menu. If you came to the other menu, you can scroll down from here and you can find out this service required menu. Once you come to the this menu, you have to press and hold this OK button until it will change the display. I'm keep holding the OK button. You see, right? Hold OK to reset. Then again, I have to press and OK this button to reset OK message, right? Once you see this message, press and hold OK, right? You can see it came to the 10,365 days. Then after that, I'm going to switch off and start the car. Now you can see message it's showing 10,000 miles 365 days, not minus. Right, now you know how to reset your oil service light. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.